Did you know that individuals who actively invest tend to accumulate almost twice as much wealth as those who rely solely on traditional savings accounts? Today, we're diving into the world of investing for beginners, unlocking the keys to financial growth and prosperity. And this comprehensive guide will demystify the world of investments, helping you navigate the complexities and make informed decisions. Whether you're looking to grow your savings for short-term goals or build a robust retirement fund, this guide has you covered. Before we dive into the nitty-gritty of investing, make sure to hit subscribe button if you haven't already. Our community is all about empowering each other on the journey to financial success. Now, let's get back to unraveling the secrets of investing for beginners. Number 1. What is investing? Investing is like planting seeds for future financial growth, a strategic move beyond traditional saving. It's the art of making your money work for you, allocating it to opportunities with the potential to multiply over time. While saving is for short-term needs, investing focuses on building a resilient financial future, whether it's a home, education, or a comfortable retirement. Think of it as the difference between parking your money and actively growing it. The perks? Not just wealth growth, but also beating inflation and opening doors to passive income. In a nutshell, investing is your ticket to long-term financial success. Number 2. Setting financial goals. Setting financial goals is the compass that guides your investment journey. It's not just about dreaming big, it's about creating a roadmap that aligns your investments with your aspirations. Whether it's a short-term goal like an emergency fund or a long-term dream like buying a home or securing your child's education, each goal requires a tailored approach. Number 3. Types of investments. Dive into the diverse world of investments with stocks, bonds, mutual funds, real estate, and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Stocks grant you a slice of company ownership. Bonds provide fixed income stability, and mutual funds offer instant diversification. Whether you're aiming for growth, stability, or a mix of both, understanding these investment options is the key to tailoring your strategy to fit your financial goals. Number 4. Creating a diversified portfolio. In the world of investing, diversity is the key to resilience. In this section, we'll unravel the power of a diversified portfolio, explaining why it's essential to spread your investments across various assets like stocks, bonds, and real estate. Think of it as crafting a financial dream team that not only maximizes returns, but also minimizes risks associated with market fluctuations. Number 5. Investment strategies for beginners. Ready to embark on your investment journey? We've got you covered with 3 powerful strategies for beginners. First up, dollar cost averaging, your stress-free ticket to navigating market ups and downs. Then, explore the world of value investing, where we'll teach you how to spot undervalued gems in the market. Lastly, discover the art of long-term investing, where patience becomes your biggest asset. No complex jargon, just practical strategies to kickstart your wealth-building journey. Number 6. Monitoring and adjusting investments. Now that we've covered the foundations of investing, let's talk about the ongoing maintenance needed for a thriving portfolio. Regularly monitoring your investments is like having a financial compass, guiding you through market fluctuations. It's not just about setting and forgetting, it's about staying agile and informed. We'll explore why keeping an eye on market trends is crucial and how it helps you make informed decisions. Recognizing when to adjust your strategy is equally vital, whether it's responding to market shifts or aligning with changing personal goals. As we wrap up this comprehensive guide to investing for beginners, remember that financial success is a journey, not a destination. We've covered the essentials, from understanding the basics of investing to crafting a diversified portfolio and mastering practical strategies. If you found value in this guide, give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow aspiring investors, and hit subscribe for more insights. Until then, happy investing.